Hello everyone, my name is Gabby. I'm part of the promo team here at Medicine at College, and if you stay for this whole video, you're gonna get a little look-see into my life. So today's Monday, is 8:30 a.m. on the dot. I'm getting ready for my first Monday class actually, since we started class last week, but first full week this week. I am in the OTA PTA program, so occupational and physical therapist assistant. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's amazing. It's a 2-year program. So this is my last year. This is my second year. I'm also from Victoria, BC, and the reason I came all the way 16 hours away from home to here in Medicine Hat is because I play for the women's hockey team. So that is a little bit about me, and follow along to learn some more. First weekend back, we did go to Swift Current. Being on the hockey team, we're usually on the road on the weekends, or sometimes we get lucky enough to play here. So it is a balance, but I love it so much. Hey everyone, so currently on the way home from Swift Current. How'd the weekend go?
We won 2 games and lost 1.
So not bad for the first weekend.
Shabby.
Go Rattlers.
Go Rattlers.
This is what our living room looks like right now. 4 hockey bags after a 3-game weekend. It stinks in here. I'm sure you can imagine that. It's currently 7:12 a.m. Just finished my workout and I'm walking back home to get ready for my 9 a.m. class. So yeah, I usually try to go to the gyms in the morning, but I do play for the hockey team, so we do have hockey practice most mornings, so it doesn't happen often. And usually I would have coffee in the morning, but I'm trying not to drink caffeine. I don't know why, but we're having lemon water instead. I can't do no caffeine. It's 5:30 and I'm ready for bed. I'm so tired. So tired. I just got a little snacky. It's 3:38. I'm done class for the day. Well, I've been done since noon, but I'm just up to this now. I'm about to go do some notes. Finish up my notes. We're learning about sewing right now, and then made dinner. We had corn while it's still good, and then chicken, and we roasted some cauliflowers. It's currently
Almost 8 p.m.
almost 8 p.m. We're just hanging out, watching a movie. Because we have
some watermelon.
Yep.
Again.
Because we got practice at 6 a.m. tomorrow. So, see you then. Just got off the ice. It's 7:30 a.m. It's 8:30, but just had morning practice this morning. Had me smoothie now. And going to class at 9. I just put all my stuff in my bag. I just bring my laptop, notes, and then I have lab today, so I have my lab kit, which I'm super excited for. In my program, our labs are so fun. Like, basically half our schoolwork is hands-on, which is awesome because that's the best way to learn. So I love it so much. On my way to class now. It's really smoky up today, but it's pretty.
We are looking at soft tissues, some modalities. There is some theory around.
I'm leaving for my second class of the day now. It's from 1 to 3:50, and then I'll be done for the day. Clips from my physical therapy lab. We're learning about heat and cold. So we're giving each other ice massages here and doing different ice pack techniques. And then we're using the hydrocolators to practice using heat on patients and when that's necessary. And then after that, we also were learning about range of motion. Just finished workout. How was workout? Good.
It's good.
Treadmills, killer. Terrible, but we survived. It is almost 5. I just got to school for my last class of the day. It's a lab, and then I practice tonight, so I gotta get going. We got to sew pot holders in class, so that was pretty fun. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. So exciting. Just finished at the gym. I'm heading home right now. I have a 9 a.m. class today, a lecture, and then I have a 1 o'clock lab. So super fun. like I said, I have class today, and then later tonight, me and some of the girls on my team are going out for dinner. And then this weekend, like at the college, especially the athletes, we really try to like get involved in the community, which is great. Like we've won like the most community service hours awards before, so we're volunteering at the minor hockey evaluations this weekend, so that should be fun. I hate when my smoothies come out like this grossness. It tastes delicious, but it looks so gross.
We're on a walk.
I made these like sweet potato brownies on Saturday, and it's Monday, and this is how many we have left. Me and my roommate crushed them, so I'm remaking them right now. Okay, this is the sweet potato batter. I'm gonna set my timer for 18 minutes. Okay, it just came out of the oven. It might look a little funky, but it's so good. Well, that's all I have for you guys, but thanks for making it to the end if you did, and hopefully you enjoyed looking at my first few weeks here at college. So maybe I'll see you next time. Bye.